Hey everybody, here we are for the final installment of our Literature Keystone nonfiction practice. This is part 2. Let's jump right into the next passage. So, this passage is a speech given by President Theodore Roosevelt on May 13th, 1908. There are 3 slides of the speech, so take your time. Take a moment and pause this video and read the first slide now. Go ahead and read the second slide. Just a reminder, you may want to put this into full screen or use your copy of the slideshow. Here is the last slide of the speech. Take a moment to finish. Okay, so number 11 is our first question about the speech. The question is, the suffix "ance" helps the reader know the word continuance means. Number 12. Why does the author include details about coal being thought of as useless in early United States history? Number 13. Read the sentence from the speech. When the people of the United States consciously undertake to raise themselves as citizens, and the nation and the states in their several spheres to the highest pitch of excellence in private, state, and national life, and to do this because it is the first of all the duties of true patriotism, then and not till then the future of this nation in quality and in time will be assured. Why is the propaganda technique in the sentence effective? Number 14. Based on information in the speech, how does the fact that many Americans live in cities relate to their understanding of nature? Number 15. Which statement from the passage best supports the generalization that humans throughout history have been wasteful of natural resources? Number 16. Which detail is most important to the overall understanding of the speech? Number 17. How does the author's style contribute to the tone of the speech? Number 18. How does the author's use of a speech as a literary form influence the meaning of conservation as a national duty? Okay, so here we are at the last constructed response question, and it is analyze how the title, Conservation as a National Duty, relates to a theme of the speech. Use information from the speech to support your analysis. So here you can see that even though we have nonfiction writing, it is still asking us about theme, which is a concept that we've practiced a lot in relation to fiction. Let's look at some sample answers and see how we might score them. How would you score this answer? 3, 2, or 1? How would you score this answer? 3, 2, or 1? And finally, how would you score this answer? 3, 2, or 1?